In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limits on your Trello lists. If you've been using Trello for managing projects, you might have found yourself wishing for better control over your workflow. That's where setting list limits can really come in handy. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once there, you'll see the option to log in, which is pretty hard to miss. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, go ahead and click login. You can choose to log in using your email, or for a quicker option, use your Google account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the board section. You can do this by clicking on the boards button, and then you'll want to head into the your workspaces section. This is where your personal or team boards will be listed. Take a moment to find the board that you want to set limits on and click on it to open it up. With your chosen board open, you'll spot the power-ups option. This is what will give us the additional functionality we need. Go ahead and click on power-ups and then follow it up by clicking add power-ups. This is going to bring up a list or a search bar depending on how things are laid out. What we're looking for here is something called list limits. Type that into the search bar and let the magic happen. After your search results come up, you're going to want to add this power-up. There should be an add button next to it. Hit that. Once that's done, you can close the power-up menu. And just like that, list limits are now part of your Trello board's functionality, ready to be used. Now, we'll set a list limit. Navigate to the list on your board where you want to impose a limit. On the top right corner of this list, you'll see 3 dots. This icon represents more options. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. Among the choices, you'll see the Set List Limit option. Select it and you'll be prompted to enter a number. This number represents the maximum number of cards you want in this list. Go ahead and type in your desired limit. Finally, be sure to click Save to ensure the changes stick. And there you have it, you've successfully set a limit on your Trello list. Remember, these limits can always be adjusted if your workflow changes, and they're a great way to keep track of progress and manage tasks efficiently. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.